What did you think of your first Glitza experience?
It was definitely a lot more fun than I thought it would be. Like, it was super fun and just like, yeah, like it's just a fun thing to do with your friends, and like it's for all ages, and boys, girls, like, yeah, I would definitely do it again.
So I don't know what you got to see beforehand, but was this what you expected Glitter Party to be? What was different than your expectations?
I mean, honestly, I didn't have any idea what it would be like. Like, I just saw glitter and free food, and I just came. Like,
that's what we're all.
But yeah, no, it was so fun. Yeah.
Can you see anywhere else in your everyday life besides where you got to use it tonight, where you could use Glitza?
I mean, I have younger cousins, and I know they would definitely love to do this. So, like, I guess just playing with them at home.
No, that sounds really good. So, would you want to do this? I guess that answers my next question. But can you see yourself doing this by yourself, or with your friends, or with some younger cousins? Like, who do you see Glitza?
I mean, honestly, like before I would have been like, oh yeah, just younger people. But now I would say like any age could do it. Like, we had so much fun just now.
Is there anything else you want to tell us about your Glitza experience?
I love Glitza.
Thanks. All right.